Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to take out your radio on a Chevy Sparks. So you want to go ahead and try to get a pry tool in here, between there, because it's hard to get this in here. You can use a pry tool like this, a plastic, so you don't damage the molding. So I use this and I put this in here, and then I'll bring this up to the side like that, alright? So I can get it started. Now I can fit this between here and work my way around, alright? Or you can put your hand in there and bring it off like this, alright? So put your hand in there and break it off like that. Well, not break it off, but take it off. Alright, so that's how you do that. Now it's time to take out 4 7mm. Alright. Alright, once again, it's 7mm right here. Take it off and pull forward on it, alright? To disconnect that, you need to push down on this right here. So you need to push down on this part and pull back on this part at the same time, alright? And that will come out like that. This you need to squeeze in the back and pull. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. And this, squeeze right there and pull right there, alright? Go ahead and flip the radio over so I can show you. See that? Squeeze right here and pull it out, alright? That's how you remove it. And what you want to do is save your radio information in case you need to program the radio to the vehicle, alright? Alright, so go ahead, connect this in right here, put that in. Go ahead and connect this right here. This goes like this, and this goes. Sorry for the shaky video. I'm trying to hold it while I do the video at the same time. And go ahead and connect this right here. Alright, just push that in. Alright. So go ahead and push the radio back into place. Alright. And I notice this side doesn't have the bracket on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and screw on the bracket. Take the bracket off the old radio and put it on this side, alright? Alright, go ahead and catch in the rest of the screw and tighten it up, alright? Alright, so all 3 screws are tight. I'm gonna put this in. Make sure you double check your work. Make sure everything is all plugged in. Fit tight. And go ahead and put the radio on. Alright. Tighten your screws. Go ahead and put on cover. Alright, so that's on. Let's turn the car on. See what happened with the radio. Alright guys, and that's how you change your radio. Alright, as you can see, it say locked, so that means you're gonna need to program the you're gonna need to put the VIN in the radio. I'm gonna try it with the computer and see what's going on. Alright, so the radio is locked, as you can see, so I'm gonna come over here and try to clear the codes from the radio and see if that will unlock the radio. So that didn't work, so I'm gonna have to send it to the dealer to get programmed. Alright, so yeah, the computer couldn't reset anything, so I get it back from the dealer and they unlock it. I just mute the radio because I don't want to get in any trouble with YouTube. So that's it guys, that's how you complete the radio swap on it. After you change the radio, it's going to be locked, and then you send it to the dealer and the dealer will unlock it for you. Alright, and thank you guys for your support. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. This could be your next problem, or the next car I'm working on might be your next problem, and I will help you fix it. Alright.